Hello, Evergreen traders and investors. This is our EquiTalks episode number 61. This is JC De Guzman, and today is December 26, 2019. Trading has just resumed after the Christmas break, and we're just down to one trading day before we end the year and start a new year, 2020. In this episode, I'm going to talk about my analysis for Ayala Corporation, an index company. The stock code is AC, and the question that I'm going to answer is this: should you buy or wait some more before you do a test buy for Ayala Corporation? We will find out. I'll let you know. But first things first, let me give you my analysis based on my evergreen strategy first. So today, Thursday, December 26, 2019, Ayala Corporation closed at 800 pesos per share. Yes, it broke out above its previous resistance at 785.30, which is now acting as its immediate support. The new immediate resistance is at 841 pesos per share. This green candlestick is already moving above its 10-day simple moving average. On the MACD diagram or histogram, I'm seeing a golden cross above the signal line, meaning to say we already have a bullish 10 MACD combo. It's a net foreign buying worth 10.10 million pesos today, although it's not that sizable as far as the usual participation of the foreign investors on Ayala Corporation or in any other index company, but still, it's a net foreign buying. With its historical volatility score 40.93%, I am going to give Ayala Corporation a low risk level, meaning to say it does not fluctuate so erratically that it would give you a heart attack, so to speak. On the DMI chart or the directional movement index chart, we see that the negative DMI is still moving above the positive DMI, but I am already seeing a formation of a bullish convergence between the two lines. For this formation of a bullish convergence to register as a golden cross above the negative DMI, Ayala Corporation must break above 841 pesos per share. There is the immediate resistance at this point. The total turnover value today reached 187 million pesos. Local traders were the main drivers of Ayala Corporation. Like what I've mentioned, it's a net foreign buying worth 10.10 million pesos. These foreign fundies are net sellers year to date. Now, let's see here on my trade and volume distribution analysis. I see here that the volume weighted average price is at 793.49. It's lower than the last price of 800 pesos per share, which is a positive thing if we are aiming to see a bullish momentum power indicator. The dominant range is between 799.5 to 800.5. That dominant range is, let's see, is it closer to the intraday low than the intraday high or the other way around? It's closer to the intraday high than the intraday low. So meaning to say, we got one score. How many? We got 2 points for the bulls. Unfortunately, the other two elements of the momentum power indicator are bearish. For one, the today's volume is less than the 50% of Ayala Corporation's 10-day volume average. What else? We're seeing a green candlestick. It's high. The last price is higher than the VWAP. Volume is less than 50%. The dominant range is closer to the intraday high than the intraday low. Well, technically, 3 out of 4 elements are bullish, but we need to see a perfect 4 bullish elements. We need to get a perfect score of 4 bullish elements for the momentum power indicator to get a bullish overall rating. So at this point, we still have no confirmed buy signal for Ayala Corporation. The bearish true market sentiment for today seems to agree with the lack of a confirmed buy signal. Now, for my recommendation, Two conditions. Let's say you already have Ayala Corporation in your portfolio, and of course, your trailing stop must still be intact. Otherwise, why are you still holding onto your position if it's already trading beyond your tolerable risk? Make sense? So I hope that's your case. Otherwise, you need to calculate your reward to risk ratio. Or not reward to risk ratio, but your trailing stop. Now, under the assumption that your trailing stop is still intact, I would recommend that you hold your position. Do not buy more shares yet. Wait for the momentum power indicator to become bullish. You have no problem and already with you have no problem with the status of the 10 MACD because it's already bullish. You just need to wait for the volume to go beyond the 50% of Ayala Corporation's 10-day volume average. And when that happens, hopefully the 10 MACD will maintain its bullishness. But for now, hold your position. Don't buy more shares yet. But don't panic as well. You don't need to reduce the percentage of risk on your trailing stop. No need to panic. Now, if you don't have another scenario, if you don't have Ayala Corporation and you are planning to have it, have more patience. Same advice that I've given. Follow the same advice that I've given to those who already have it. Wait some more. Wait for the momentum power indicator to become bullish. Once it becomes bullish, calculate your reward to risk ratio and then do a test buy within the dominant range. Now, if you are a subscriber of Equilyst Analytics, I would suggest that you request for this stock's latest trade and volume distribution and true market sentiment charts in our private clients forum whenever you see a significant change in terms of price and volume. Speaking of the subscription service, what do you get when you subscribe? 6 things. Number 1, every day, by the end of each trading day, you will receive from us a daily video with 10 trade ideas. A daily video with 10 trade ideas for the next trading day. It's meant for short-term trading. That's number 1. Number 2, you will access our investment guide for long-term investing. We are monitoring the 30 index stocks and we tell our clients which one of those 30 has a confirmed buy signal. Once there's one that has a confirmed buy signal, we also indicate there the best price range where you should buy, where you should do a test buy, where you should top up. It's already in there. All you have to do is execute, log into your account, and buy whichever of those stocks that have a confirmed buy signal that you'd like to buy. Number 3, you will have an access to our private clients forum wherein you can request for our analysis and recommendation for any stock, literally any stock listed in the Philippine Stock Exchange. Number 4, you will have an access to our study room. That's in our private clients forum also. What's this study room all about? You will have the opportunity to submit your analysis in accordance to our evergreen strategy, and then we will give you a score. We will give you a grade regarding that analysis. If it's really that good, if it's on par with the way we do our analysis, how we write our analysis here, we will then publish your analysis with your picture, with your author's biography. Yes, you will be the author. And then we're going to embed or insert your affiliate URL, so that when someone registers or subscribes to us through your affiliate link, you will get 20% as your incentive for doing a great job, for really mastering how we do our analysis, how we execute our evergreen strategy. Yes, you've already benefited by applying the lessons in your own trades, and then you'll also get a commission every time someone registers or subscribes to us through your affiliate link. So that's number 4 and 5. And lastly, you will get a free First MetroSec account and a 2-month free access to First MetroSec Pro, the most advanced online stock trading platform in the Philippines. So those 6 inclusions, that's what you will get when you subscribe. And how do you subscribe? Visit equilyst.com/subscribe or simply click the subscribe page on our website, just like what you're seeing on this video if you're watching this video on YouTube. And I've been talking about my evergreen strategy. Would you like to know how I select stocks, how I compose or create my watch list, and then how I execute my plan from buying all the way to selling. Would you like to know all of that? From stock selection all the way to the execution of my trade plan? Then you better check out the video on demand version of my evergreen strategy in trading and investing in the Philippine stock market. You heard it right. My strategy applies both in short-term trading and long-term investing. There are 6 lessons that you will learn from me in that video, which you can replay anytime you like to. And you can also ask for some clarificatory questions or clarificatory confirmations about how you understand or what you understand about the video in our private clients forum when you subscribe to our evergreen strategy in trading and investing in the Philippine stock market video on demand, which some people call it an online stock market seminar or an online stock market course. Check it out on our website at equilyst.com/evergreen, or simply click on the course page on our website, just like what I'm pointing at right now if you're watching this video. So that's it. The Evergreen Strategy online stock market course is not part of the subscription service. Those are two separate services that you need to avail of if you'd like to have both. All right? It will be worth it. I can assure you that. You can read our testimonials on our website. Go to equilyst.com/testimonials, or simply click the testimonials page on our website. So that's it. I was able to answer the question if you should buy or wait some more for Ayala Corporation, regardless whether you already have it or you're just planning to trade the name. Again, this is JC De Guzman, founder and CEO of Equitalks Analytics Incorporated. Thank you for listening or watching to our EquiTalks episode number 61. Always remember, be evergreen.